Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the push-pull tool so that you can make your model three-dimensional. So I'm also going to show you how to do this without a mouse. So the first thing you're going to want to do is press the O key on your keyboard so that you're looking mostly down on your model, and try your best to get a little bit closer by zooming. You can press the letter Z on your keyboard to move in or out. Next, you're going to press the letter P. Now, if you press down once, so you'll notice that there's sort of this polka dot pattern when you hover over. If you click once and drag it up, and then click one more time to stick it in place, that looks good from the front, but if we orbit to the bottom, you'll notice that there is no floor. It's cut it out. So I'm going to undo that. What we need to do is press the letter P, and we're going to press the Control key on our keyboard so that you'll see a plus sign next to it. It's very small. So again, you're going to click once and drag it up. Now look in the bottom right-hand corner where it says distance. Right now mine says 11 feet 3 inches. So a normal room will probably be around 11 to 15 feet tall, which is probably around the height of our classrooms at 360. So it's going to look much smaller than you would expect. So I can look and try to get this to be an exact measurement, or before I click one more time, I can type in a measurement. So I'm going to type in 12 apostrophe. You should just use one apostrophe. That represents feet. 2 apostrophes represent inches. And then I'm going to press enter. So I'll do that one more time. You're going to press the letter P, press the Control key once until you see a plus sign, click once and just move your finger up on your trackpad, type in 12 apostrophe enter. Now for some Chromebooks, the apostrophe key or the numbers keys don't work that well, so you could just click once, drag it up, and try your best to just get it to the same measurement. Now once in a while the plus sign will go away, so pay attention to that and then just press the Control key again. A fun tip is to double click on it and it will remember the last measurement that you pulled up. So if I click twice, it goes exactly to the same one. My plus sign has gone away, so I'm going to press the Control key again, double click, press the Control key again, double click. So now if we look underneath, we have a floor, it's just blue. If you'd like to add a second floor, you're going to do the exact same thing just on top. So make sure you press the P key or this button right here. Press Control on your keyboard, and then I'm going to double click. Actually, I'm not going to do that. Click, drag it up, type in 12 apostrophe. 12 apostrophe. Make sure you're not pressing and holding your finger down. If you do that, you're just going to have to let it go at the measurement you think is best. So if you really want to get that exact measurement, you need to click once on your keypad and let go. Then slide your finger up on the trackpad. Make sure you slide it up, not down. 12 apostrophe. So I know this is going to look like it's not very tall, but if you still have your woman right here, you'll see that this is actually fairly tall. I know a lot of you will want to make your building this tall, and that looks like a good sized building, but that's actually like a 5-story building or more, maybe a 6-story building. So pay attention to this lady here. You can even move her. I'm having a hard time moving her. Oh, she's inside the building now. There she is. So you can see how small she is in comparison to the building. She's actually floating in the air, but your building shouldn't be as tall as you think. And you can do 2, 3 floors. If you have a smaller building, you can obviously make it bigger, but most schools are probably about 2 to 3 floors. And that's how you do the push-pull tool.